su ka boy de le ka ini ni de mai ke ma zo ko hi jo na ringot po hai ni lo nia i mala ma chan po hian signal tunai chu chiang lo tu kan om na lai hi sumi bang chan problem om de le ka ba ka ni mo ni ne ti tu ro ma zing ma chu bang chan boy de le ka min lo shi tiang. Yes, last time we have done with the introduction, the characteristics of intellectual property. Kapag video ko often it's hansu engeni englo sa tu ka video on swanin at saklo tu ka net ka sa off on. Now the kinds of IPR. I think you have all studied in your different classes of this IPR since it is shared by 5 different teachers. So you are all aware of those different kinds. So I need to dig deep again into those the different kinds. But since under Unit 1, it's the general overview of this IPR, so I will just go briefly into those different kinds. I think you have already learned about the kinds of IPR in your other classes. But still, I'll repeat again. Intellectual property, which it is divided into 2 branches. Okay, 2 branches. One is industrial property, and the other one is copyright and neighboring rights. In Liruwa Ong Tursu, Nakina Kanazudona, we are going to study about those different treaties and conventions. Okay, mainly in this class. So under that we have TRIPS. Okay, TRIPS, the Treaty of TRIPS. Suminwaya Swan, Suminwaya, IPR, intellectual property right. Ati hawakatuna kanzito. Oh, under the TRIPS, it has been the IPR under intellectual property has been divided. Okay, so those are the kinds of IPR which we are dealing now. But broadly, generally, you have to know that this IPR, when we say intellectual property, it is broadly divided under 2 heads. Okay, one is the industrial property. When we talk about IPR, intellectual property right, it has been divided under two broad heads. One is industrial property, and the other one is copyright and neighboring rights. Okay, so what is industrial property? What do you mean by industrial property? Those intellectual property other than copyright and neighboring rights. Okay, they are as we say, they are the relates to those creation of human mind, those inventions and industrial designs. Industrial property Miami House on Nita, Kanzi to how what's copyright Nilo House on industrial property in Miami House on Nita. Oh, if you see the okay, TRIPS under TRIPS, these are the intellectual property. So copyright, the first one is copyright, that is the one kind, and the rest, those trademarks, patents, design, geographical indication, layout, design, plan, varieties, all those things falls under the industrial design. Industrial property, industrial property Maya on whole kan. Also one broadly in classroom at one you say in the table again a branch and they can see but say to that one industrial property. Now what are industrial property? The first one is patents. Okay, patents. Patent is one form of industrial property. We know that under patent there is some monopoly right. Okay, monopoly right. It is a statutory right which is granted for a limited period to an inventor in respect of an invention. Now, whenever there is an invention, patent, patent under industrial property, we have patent. Okay, so in India we have the Patents Act 1970. So for patents, there are it mainly deals with the invention. Inventions and some patents more. So for patents, there are 3 things which you have to keep in mind. An invention which can be patented need to fulfill 3 things. Those the novelty, the usefulness, okay, the industrial steps. Okay, those things should be fulfilled in order to become a patent. Okay, to have a patent. So in India, we have this Act, Patent Act 1970, which protects it for a period of 20 years. Okay, so during these 20 years, the inventor has the monopoly rights. So, monopoly right. That is a very negative concept also, monopoly right. More monopoly right over his invention. So also can be 20 years. Who can more invention it 20 years. I can allow patents one monopoly right can it many. So also that has also in monopoly and it can negative term there was also because the characteristics of intellectual property is it creates negative right on the rest of the world. We say that. True. Kami ang dito ka long ay patawag monopoly right ka patent he do not want to come sa ko kan so ito tawa damdoy te po enge care for enge COVID te polong itase amo kami kalong itase an patent 20 years sung kan so also katakan do kanin atom zok le all some zok siang ka har athelo tani mo san su patent ni ta tawang kami ya kan in other way you can say that kami developing countries zok tan swan it's very disadvantage mo khalaya ka on ben to khalaya kan intellectual property hi one way so any benefit na aumem bidang data na inshake na aumem tiang si ka tiang zona katam ta contain so patents akan mo so for patents I think this is very common that the three things novelty involving an invent step and being capable of industrial application these are very important okay so that is patent okay under industrial property the first one is patent now the second one let's say it's a trademark okay trademark we have the Trademarks Act 1999 Trademarks Act 1999 trademarks India so one Trademarks Act 1999 now these are those distinctive symbols signs those logos okay that help the main thing what the trademark do is it help the consumer to distinguish between those competing goods or services and they bring a goodwill okay to the company okay for enjoying their trade that is about the trademarks okay so that is what the trademark is apart from those symbols signs and logos those just the mark we also have these service marks also nowadays so if we see those symbols we are very sure that the service of that for example like we see a Blue Dart or like FedEx okay we know their service okay we can rely on those service okay based on that marks okay we have we know what kind of service they provide okay so that is one thing which a trademark is Trademarks Act 1999 so I think the protection under this act in India is around 10 years. Okay, trademarks, 10 years you can apply for this trademark, which the period is for 10 years. And after the expiry of the 10 years, it means you can renew it from time to time for another 10 years. Patents, once that 20 years has expired, you cannot renew it. Now, the third one is the Industrial Design, the Design Act 2000. So for design, it consists of those for design those features of the shape, those configuration, pattern, ornament or composition of those lines or even colors. Okay, colors applied to any article, whether they are in 2 dimensions or 3 dimensions, okay, or in both form. This is about a design. Design as one in ena mitina ena more again appealing amoyem tila ka design po mo beso mitani kalaya kan a form ka 3D mo 2D mo poni se design akan design act maya for the design act 2000 kaniya mo akan tani. Then another one, geographical indication GI. This is a sign which is used on those goods that have a specific geographical origin and they possess the qualities or reputation, okay, that are due solely to the place of origin. Ang aram nena aron kalna mo a GI geographical indication ni ang abangkan. Kami nena aram nena in soy kop yang kan. Yes, we have the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. Okay, so we have to know that this GI intinan Mizoram yan tharswa and kami GI ang kakalo kan lo ne swan mi pakhat so in a thelawa GI chun angai chuang lawa. It does not mean that, okay, GI is meant only for a single manufacturer or industry. Kami GIB ka sun group na apply tani Mizoram ang intinan Darjeeling tea tepo Darjeeling tea. There are lots of Darjeeling teas, okay? There are lots of different qualities of Darjeeling tea. But once a consumer finds the name Darjeeling tea ni kaswan, again, atui turang ay na kami ka GI mo kalaya kan so kana. Again, a geographical indication na ka omna mo na lo swan na mo si kami ni na kan relate again liruwa again a quality te ron na kami ka GI so ni mo. So this GI can be used by all producers who make their products in a place designated by the GI and they share the same qualities. Okay, that is about GI. Now there is layout design of integrated circuits, plant varieties, trade secrets. This we will not touch it in detail. But layout designs of integrated circuits there is the Act Semiconductor Integrated Circuits Layout Designs Act 2000. Now a layout design in phone te ka intinan tu da sonin kan hong mai to hong te ka kan hong chin thama battery kan check china phone sa de ma ka son kala a configuration kala layout ka mo ka ang zong ka layout design design ka zong ka a layout design of integrated yan mo rotate ka mo ang si zong ka intinan TV te watch radio mo washing machine kang zong ka kan sia design ne wa sura mi hau ane lo ka an siam ka hong zong ka layout design mo kan te then plant varieties also production of different plant varieties tulad swanin hybrid te kan tia mo shang so pola khatian si ho ka plant varieties protection of the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Act 2001 mo kan ho siya kan and then the trade secrets or the undisclosed information trade secrets, like why is Coca-Cola so tasty, what is the formula, what is the secret behind this formation, this product. Katian si ka trade secrets on the formula big was yang dan big ka. Oh, kan ho ka IPR na ya protect kan ni. Oh, so this from number 2 to number 8 it falls under industrial property. Okay, industrial property. So we say that there are two broad branches of intellectual property. The first one is industrial property, which comprises of the trademarks, the patents, the design, GI, the layout design, the plant varieties, the trade secrets. Okay, these are the one type of intellectual property. The other type is the copyright and neighboring rights. Okay, so this is the other type of a very big intellectual property, which is regulated by the Copyright Act 1957. this act also, this copyright, we have this Copyright Act. In India, we have the earliest one was during the British. Okay, it was in way back in 1847, which was enacted during the East India Company's regime. Then after that, we have the Copyright Act 1911. Then in 1914, it was modified. The Copyright Act came again 1914, which was modified, and the 1911 Act was modified. And this 1914, the Copyright Act 1914, it remained applicable in India, and in 1957 it was replaced by the present Copyright Act 1957. Okay, so it was way back during the British reign where we have this Copyright Act in 1847, and so there has been some changes and some modifications or amendment. Then not only amendment, there has been a change in the law. Okay, so now we have the Copyright Act 1957. This act has also been amended many times: 1983, 1984, 1992, 94, 1999, and we have the latest one, 2012. Okay, so not only the act, we also have the rules, 2021 rules for heroes. Rules 2013, 2016, and I think we have copyright rules 2021 also, the latest one. Okay, so I think you will have to read that under your copyright portion. Oh, so what is basically copyright? Copyright is where yes, under copyright, it's a right in respect of something original. Originality is very important in copyright. So it is granted in respect of original literary, musical, artistic, or audio-visual works. Okay, creation of authors, playwrights, composers, artists, filmmakers. So the rights under copyright, it include many things: rights of those reproduction, communication to the public, adaptation and translation of work. Okay, so it protects the owner of rights in those literary and artistic work against those who copy or otherwise take and use the form in which original work is expressed by the author. Okay, so but we have to know that copyright protects only the form of expression, not the ideas itself. I think you have read those important cases where only an idea cannot be copyrighted, but the form of expression, when the ideas is formulated in the form of an expression, it has come into some form that it is copyrightable. Okay, so that is the thing. So when we talk about copyright and related rights, or copyright and neighboring rights, we are also dealing with not only the rights of the authors, but the rights which can come from that main thing. More, for example, I write a story, that story has been adapted. There is an adaptation of that story into a movie. Okay, so in the movie there are the actors and the actresses, so they have those performance rights. Okay, and neighboring rights, and then the broadcasting rights. Okay, so there are different rights which accrues from that from that original work, from that literary work, from the story. If you adapted it to a movie, then the performance rights will be there, broadcasting rights. Copyright so not only that, the authors will also have the moral rights. Even if you sell your paintings, okay, your artistic works, your paintings, you still have the moral rights of the authors, and that they have to pay respect to the authors, and it should not be just tarnished or hampered. Okay, some respect is still there, the moral rights is still there, accrues in the author. That's also the second part, copyright and neighboring rights. yeah, easier to how to understand. Oh, different kinds of intellectual property. Oh, intellectual property divided under two broad things: industrial and copyright and neighboring rights. Easier than one. Let's see. Oh, one notes. In you have to make notes on this. So far we have touched the introduction, like you make a notes on what do you mean by intellectual property rights, okay? What the definition given by the WIPO and other conventions, or yes, from where you can get the definitions, and you write the characteristics of IPR and you explain it, if possible with examples, okay? And if you have any cases, you write there. And now you continue with the kinds of IPR, okay? You write those two broad types of IPR, and you explain it, okay? And also you write about those acts, the present acts which we have, okay? So I want you to make that notes. And next week, your exam is on 26, I think. Intellectual property right exam is on 26. So I will continue with WIPO and TRIPS and some conventions like the Berne conventions and other things. Next Tuesday, let's one. Atlang we can do don ni su atlang we ka class pa di ba ka mo to don lo unit 1 de la yan mo atam ra so bang suan he mit sin na yan notes chade win lo sia mulang ati ka kan chilu sewa so du in ne ta kan in exam tu ang zo po kan we are going to have your first internal exam next week, okay? So, do you have anything to ask? Lekhabuti ka in hutim, materials in hutim.
Hello, Miss.
But hello mo. Ani suanin material hi kalawsong nga mo to na mi ho notes ang kakasong ka kasyam man lawa ka tithilaw nga ba si material ho karon ka ne ho ang hi kalaw scan nga suanin karon to nang seo kalaw dang mo hupakan so mi piala mason articles, at least you read some articles from Google at chagin mo law and ulang online at chagin suan manupatra te po ka keys si manupatra earlier it used to be paid. Masatuna, so in few cases, some cases under Manupatra, you can browse it for free. More a free no oma pang de kalaw en ro Manupatra akan. Swan sumibaka swan in online articles no ang si in tayang ang kalaw en sinta ulang. Swan side by side to nami exam na atur ang tane introduction na tane swan in article agati materials kani ho chen kati tule. Close ka na nga karon page yung mo. So one case materials sudule ang karon page yung mase tunod sina so one case discuss to kala no wangin ingeni unit 1 bika so one suti tukin katyang so kan no mase har sad na ini shim swan at ingeni sansu ingeni copyright kan adang ho inzir to wang kan har sad na ini so one milaw shilo ne kalo kuidan so kalo ito no materials ko kan in test tu tan suan in khatiam ka class kan zilang ho zel kha di dona abang khan har salu tu lo tu ra nai lang question ka pathum kha ron swang le na ani san tu am khan 10 marks angami an tho kan mo khatiam khan ni le dona swan inge presentation ka presentation hi roll number 1 to 10 1 to 10 ke maths niya nakita presentation topic ka petse nga assignment to Miss Zopar le Miss Rutin anu ke don sewa in schedule so a timeline ka deadline der ka Miss Didi kan ron da ke in class
Yes, Miss.
don rum so engkim khamman mo nga yani asan su ni kung don la sa khanin internal assessment ka kan tikim man lawa ka kanin criteria eligibility criteria kanin achin lut man lo kha omani chuan tun chuma chuanin time kan engeni huna kem thina hangin kami ka in chan de pa ta ngai don ni internal exam kar le anya nga chuan anu lok ani le nga second internal so presentation ni chong halanga side by side you have to submit your assignment I think by 15th September. Okay, so you have to be prompt, you have to be sincere. Masi inti is also intan o samdon to ka kami kamo so mansuan a day da ka kami ka last minute tan da min tu na chari min ti ngana swanin kan ka du to me nga asan su lak re lu tu ka class hi are du tu don la win ka shiani unit 1 hi asan su it's very general adangin in zero to wang in details in Carleton ganda nga kami conventions le katiang treaties sa waka so su mitsin su exam na lo swak tu ran yang tu na mitsin na kan notes lo siam mulang tu na te po lo siam mulang swan next kami invent conventions why po te trips te burn te katiang ho shop zong ka kan achen na kan khoi linga sumi bak lo su ve khat alangai me thia bak lo so unit 1 su kan cover ka anyone who is still is yet to give your attendance. Swan the last exam kami kan in exam vek thina san khatil pakhat oma vek thina san ti meng attendance sungcha khan in kalaw ni tu ma kha asan su ala sa kha chuanin SOP kanin attendance kan sia lo ka in class ka vela kan tuna swan kami kha shi lo ni notification le order eng mal lo wangin attendance apoi mo ti sha tu attendance ka eligibility criteria khala ni ren ani ti ka sha tu so bang swan class kan chat tu
Yes, miss.
Okay, I think I'll stop here. I'll meet you next Tuesday. My period is on second period. Okay, so next Tuesday, by this week, I'll try to give you materials, and we'll meet again next Tuesday. Okay, thank you.